A BIP file stores Character Studio Biped animation data, the motion capture and keyframe data that brings 3D characters to life in Autodesk 3ds Max. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you get these animations loaded. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling BIP files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. A BIP file stores skeletal biped animation data created in Autodesk 3ds Max's Character Studio plugin. It contains keyframe motion data for bipedal characters and is widely used in game development and 3D film production pipelines. BIP files follow Autodesk's Character Studio format, storing hierarchical bone structures and keyframe data. They support motion capture integration, layer-based animation, and are compatible with 3ds Max's Biped, skeletal, and Motionflow animation systems. The optimal viewer for the BIP format is generally considered to be Autodesk 3ds Max from Autodesk Inc. The complex layout and formatting tags are not correctly parsed by Windows defaults. Windows may show only thumbnails or metadata, so full inspection must occur in compatible CAD software. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your BIP file, then click Open with Test Autodesk 3ds Max if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. Your system failed to open the BIP file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, verify Autodesk 3ds. Max is installed. BIP files are natively opened by Autodesk 3ds. Max using the Character Studio plugin. Open 3ds. Max navigate to the Biped rollout and use load file to import the BIP animation data into your current scene or character rig. Next, check software version compatibility. If the BIP file fails to load, confirm the file was created in a compatible version of 3ds Max. Older BIP files may need legacy versions or Autodesk's migration tools. Check the Autodesk knowledge base for version-specific compatibility notes. Finally, use a motion capture conversion tool. If 3ds Max is unavailable, try Motion Builder or third-party BVH converter tools to extract animation data. Some game engines like Unity offer BIP import plugins that may allow direct access to the skeletal animation content stored in the file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagick, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.